Hi, I'm Allison Walther with Confluent. In this ksqlDB lesson, we'll talk about creating, importing, and exporting data. We can insert data directly into ksqlDB streams or tables using the UI, CLI, or the Java client. Or if we already have data in an existing Kafka topic, we can create a stream or table on that topic and begin streaming that data into ksqlDB. Any data produced to that topic will be streamed into ksqlDB, and any data inserted into our new stream will be written to that Kafka topic automatically. But we don't have to have an existing topic. We can create a new stream or table, and ksqlDB will create the backing topic for us. Again, the two-way data flow is automatic. We can also read data from and write data to a myriad of other systems, taking advantage of ksqlDB's integration with Kafka Connect. Confluent Cloud makes it easy to get data into and out of ksqlDB with fully managed connectors for many popular databases, analytics engines, and SaaS applications. For streaming data into ksqlDB, you can create a source connector. With a source connector, you can snapshot a database into ksqlDB and stream any subsequent changes, like change data capture. You can also hook up to dozens of other types of systems, including message queues, flat files, and network endpoints. Using the create source connector syntax and a smattering of configuration, you can do exactly that, create a source connector. At the other end of the pipe, ksqlDB can use Kafka Connect to stream data out to anywhere you want to write it, including NoSQL stores, blob stores, relational databases, and more. And that's the end of this lesson.